Did you know that not all alarm control panels are designed for the same purpose? Because every project is different, every customer has different requirements, and every installation demands a tailored solution. That is why Vesta has developed a complete range of control panels capable of adapting to every scenario. Easy Power, security where mains power is unavailable. Easy Smart, the smart solution for homes and small businesses. Smart Series, more capacity, more devices, more possibilities. QualMax, all in one, simpler, more intuitive. Smart Hybrid, the perfect combination of wireless and wired technology. Smart Hybrid Max, maximum performance for the most demanding projects. One control panel for every need, one ecosystem for every project.